Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your avatar on WhatsApp. Maybe you've decided it's time for a change, or you just don't want to use an avatar anymore. Whatever the reason, it's a pretty simple process. Deleting your avatar is permanent and will erase all your avatar data, including those fun avatar stickers. Once it's gone, it's gone. So make sure you really want to say goodbye to your current avatar before proceeding. Okay, ready to get started? Here's how to delete your avatar on WhatsApp. 1. Open the WhatsApp app. First things first, fire up WhatsApp on your Android device. 2. Go to Settings. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu. From that menu, tap on Settings. 3. Find Avatar Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Avatar. 4. Delete Avatar. On the Avatar page, you'll see an option to delete avatar. Tap on it. WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your avatar. 5. Confirm deletion. To finalize the process, tap Delete one more time, and that's it. Your avatar is now gone. Your profile picture will revert to the default placeholder, or to whatever image you had set before you created an avatar. If you change your mind later, you can always create a new avatar. WhatsApp lets you personalize your avatar with different eye shapes, hair colors, and outfits. You can even create an avatar using a photo. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.